Can you select all periods in your document? The answer is no, you cannot. Google Docs unfortunately doesn't have a feature that allows you to select all the dots or the periods in your document. The best you can do is to highlight them. If you want to highlight those dots, you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and F, and this will bring you this tiny window that allows you to just type the character dots, and it will basically highlight all the periods in green in your document. But if you want to change them, you want to replace the periods into something else, then you can open this menu, and this will bring you the find and replace feature that are usually popular to change something or change a lot of things, a lot of the same things from your document. Let's say I want to change this period into an arrow character. So I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut Alt and then 24. So that's the keyboard shortcut for this character. And after that, I'm going to select replace all. This instantly changes all the periods into this up character, this arrow that not very common, but maybe there are some cases where you want to replace the dot with some other characters. The key point is you cannot change or you cannot select the dots simultaneously, but at least you should be able to replace all the dots with whatever character or letter that you want. Anyway, I hope that helps.